dead sub or just die out?
It went to like 500,000 RPM and dropped down.
He may have a better idea. I don't know.
For you guys were flying.
We work at the airport. But like I said, first of all, I know the airplane. I'm not the finance instructor. I don't know what I'm doing now anyway. I knew what I was doing when it mattered.
Funny kind of how that comes back. Thurston, stay here, please.
Oh, it is.
Thank you.
Well, did you get a picture of the airplane in the middle of the field, Albert?
I did already.
Okay. You want one with you and Kent next to the airplane?
No, you need to stay away from the airplane so they don't run you over.
Let's put it a little bit more to the right. What's the road, guys? Okay, my gear is time. No, I'm not better.
Got out safe.
Yeah, let's get the tail. Let's get the tail and roll back.
Well, you guys even straddled the roads on the way out. Who's the pilot?
Me? Are you Mr.
Me,
Harris?
huh?
Yeah, come here. I have a... Okay.
Sir, I apologize.
Well, that's all right.
My life.
No, I know.
I took a friend up for his first flight. We're flying at 1,700 feet, coming up the valley, and the engine just quit. Took the first field we could find. Luckily, we're here. He started doing the Hail Mary thing real quick. Yeah, it was very scary, very scary. When the blade quits turning, the pilot gets real warm real quick. So we were flying up from Orting up the valley. We were going to go do a little circle over Puyallup and go back and land. And we didn't make it to Puyallup.